Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing, trying on and doing a little bit of ASMR in my brand new boots. These are in a colour that I haven't actually got yet, so I'm really excited to try these on. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, look at that colour. Wow, how gorgeous is that colour in a lilac shade with a zip all the way from the bottom to the top, which I love. Super cute. Wow, these are 7 inches high. So this bit on the heel is 7 inches and I think this is about 3 inches. I am so excited to try this on. As you can see, I've got a really cute baby pink latex outfit on. I thought the lilac and the baby pink would pair perfectly. These are called the Adore 3000s and I got them in a UK size 6, but it's a 9 US. Here's the boots. On the box they call it a lavender colour. It is so cute. Let's try them on. Oh, perfect fit. Love this colour so much. Now I've got 2 purple boots. So I've got my dark purple lace up the back. And now I've got this gorgeous lilac lavender colour, which I'm so excited about. This would go perfectly with my Daphne cosplay. Oh, tight fit, but I've got them on. Love this gorgeous lilac colour, so cute. What do you think? I'll take Mummy's slipper. Go on then. Go on, take it away. Take it away. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You got Mummy's slipper. We're in. How cute are these boots? Gorgeous colour. They're actually perfect for my latex Daphne cosplay. I cannot wait to wear them with it. How cute are these? What do you rate my boots out of 10? Let me know down in the comments below. So yeah, these are the Adore 3000s. They're 7 inches high. And they're in the lilac lavender shade. I love them so much. They are so nice. What do you think? Do you think they suit me? Do you like this cute little pink latex outfit with it? So comfortable. Oh, I love them. The tighter the boot, the better in my opinion. So cute. Ooh. So sticky. super easy to walk in as they're only 7 inches. Don't you love how these look? So cute. Gorgeous colour, so pretty. So here's my brand new boots. I hope you've enjoyed my little unboxing, try on and ASMR today. If you liked my video, then please do give it a thumbs up. It means so much to me. Leave a little comment down below. Let me know what you think of my brand new pair of boots and my latex outfit combo. Share it with your other boot lovers. And if you want to see more of my gorgeous boots, I've got 18 pairs of boots now and probably more to come, then please do hit that subscribe button. I've got brand new latex that I'm going to be showing very, very soon and a new pair of heels, so I hope you're ready for that. So yeah, if you like my video, please do give it a thumbs up, a little comment and share it to your other shiny friends, but make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching today. I absolutely loved filming this for YouTube. I hope you like my YouTube videos and my other ones that I filmed, so if you haven't watched those, go and check those out, and I will see you next time.